Hello everybody, this is Shanna with Lovemeetscake. If you or a loved one suffers from buttercream sadness, contact the law offices of Lovemeetscake and you may be entitled to watch a YouTube video on how to make silky smooth delicious buttercream. We are going to start off with 8 sticks of room temperature unsalted real butter. And it does have to be unsalted because salted butter is going to make your buttercream bitter, and we are making buttercream, not margarine cream. So you absolutely want to use real butter because that margarine is going to make your buttercream pretty nasty, okay? Like, yeah, nasty. So you're going to beat that butter for 2 minutes until it turns white. And this step here is a very important step to achieving that silky fluffy buttercream. So make sure it's for 2 minutes. Next, you're going to put in 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And then, yeah, you see it. What's that? French vanilla cold coffee creamer, guys. That's my secret ingredient. Now, usually people use heavy whipping cream, but French vanilla cold coffee creamer adds in that extra burst of vanilla. So I use that instead. Now, also I'm going to put in 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Now, this video is sped up, so it looks like it's going fast, but I assure you, you're going to want to start off slow when you put in the powdered sugar, or it's going to fly in your face, okay? You're going to have powder face, okay? You're going to have a mess to clean up, you're going to have attitude, so make sure you start off slow, and once that powdered sugar is incorporated, then you increase the speed to high. And as you can see, that's all it took. How easy is that? Yeah. Alright guys, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell because I want you to keep watching my videos and learning all these cool little super easy tricks about baking and cake decorating. Until next time, whoop whoop!